Welcome to Solver Fee.
First, we are going to write the mass of post, that is MP is equal to 50 kg. So weight of post is equal to MP into Z is equal to 50 kg into 9.81 is equal to 490.5 Newton. Now length of beam is equal to 2 meter and W is equal to 800 Newton per meter. Mu B is coefficient of friction is equal to 0.4 and mu c is equal to 0.2. Now total load acting on the beam W is equal to 1 by 2 into L into W is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 into 800 is equal to 800 Newton. Now location of centroid can be calculated as from B we have x dash is equal to 1 by 3 into 2 is equal to 2 by 3. From A we have x dash is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 is equal to 4 by 3. Now drawing the free body diagram of beam AB. So we are drawing the free body diagram now. Just draw it very carefully so that you can get all the forces accurately. Here it is AX, here it is AY, length is 2 meter, here it is FB and here it is NB. Taking moment at about point A, we have MA is equal to 0 on calculating minus W into 4 by 3 plus NB into 2 is equal to 0 or 2NB is equal to 4 by 3 into 800 or NB is equal to 533.33 Newton. Now we will go ahead drawing free body diagram of post. So draw the free body diagram of post very carefully as I am drawing here, showing all the forces acting on it. Here it is NB, here it is FB, here it is NC and here it is FC. Here it is P at theta is equal to alpha and alpha is angle made by P with horizontal. Now from figure we can write tan alpha is equal to 3 by 4 or alpha is equal to 36.87 degree. Now going ahead taking moment about point C, we have summation of MC is equal to 0 on calculating FB into 700 minus P cos alpha into 300 is equal to 0 or 700 FB is equal to 300 P into cos 36.87. We just put the value of cos alpha or FB is equal to 0.343p. So let it be equation 1. Now applying equilibrium of forces in x and y direction. So first we will apply in x direction. So summation of fx is equal to 0 or p cos alpha minus fb minus fc is equal to 0 or p cos 36.87 is equal to fb plus fc or fb plus fc is equal to 0.8p, that is our equation 2. Now summation of fy is equal to 0 on calculating p sin alpha plus nc minus nb minus wp is equal to 0 on solving 0.6p P plus NC minus NB minus WP is equal to 0. On further solving, we get 0.6P plus NC minus 533.33 minus 490.5. We just put the value. NC plus 0.6P is equal to 1023.83, that is our equation 3. Now solving equation 1 and equation 2, we can write as FB plus FC is equal to 0.8P. On further solving, 0.343P plus 0.2 NC is equal to 0.8P. NC is equal to 2.285P, that is our equation 4. Solving equation 3 and 4, we can write as or NC plus 0.6P is equal to 1023.83. On solving, we get 2.285P plus 0.6P is equal to 1023.83, or P is equal to 354.9 Newton. That is our answer.